Miming. Busog ng mga miming. Papunta na kami sa aming destinasyon. Doon sa dairy farm.
Dairy farm. But this is
Wow.
what do you call that one? We cannot stop here.
No,
Because
we
this
are
one-
not.
There.
A little bit
Little bit.
far.
Okay, likoon pa man.
Okay. So you can smoke a little bit.
Oh, thank you.
You're
Hey.
welcome.
Yay!
Yeah, Bohol.
Alicia. Ano ga English mo? Ito yung bagong
I
tanim.
hope I have to show me Alicia.
The new plants, and this is the rice fields.
Next. Yeah. You write it down, Alicia. Yes.
Alicia Gindulman. Yehey! Malapit na kami sa dairy farm.
Dairy farm.
Ubay. Sa Ubay.
Kana na.
Yan, malapit na tayo sa dairy farm.
A few moments later.
Yehey! Nandito na tayo ngayon sa dairy farm.
Oh,
We will see. We have a look.
yes,
We will see the new things.
yes.
Ito yung ice cream nila.
Cookies and
Which
cream.
one? Which one?
Melone.
Yeah.
Melonen?
Melon.
It will cook. What is
Banana. Mocha.
mocha? I pay.
Fresh milk.
Again? I do?
Yes, no.
Yeah, I do.
Thank you. Alicia.
Say go. I try the melone. Melone
Iba na,
again?
ah.
Banel. Cookies and cream.
Melonen. I like melonen. Is there any apple or the ananas?
What? What is this? Mocha? Mocha. I try the mocha. Now your melon. I know.
Melonen.
Mocha.
Melonen.
How much?
60.
60.
We can see something or nara dito sa kuan. Sa farm ra. Layo.
Mata na kung makasulod ba?
Makasulod og sakyanan no. Na entrance or what? Wala po. Kalimot na dugay.
Good.
Nag-milking sila ron.
Ah, nindot ron.
Montoro niya. Mukha sa taga ice cream. How is it?
Good.
They said they make their own.
A little bit chocolate.
You need more.
So, ito na yung akin. I'm the winner. You are the second.
I'm the third.
We're going to the farm now.
Yes, we are looking.
Yay!
We're looking for the cows, carabaos,
In Germany, all cows give milk
Ah.
every day, 2 times, in the morning and in the evening.
Oh.
Here, there is. They said, now it's making. Me aloy, na naman ko nilang mga street, kahit na mga kuan, oh.
Wala mo.
No?
Ilaha maningkuan ani kita. Hay ang sani.
If a cow get a baby and you have every day to out the milk from there, do this not? She gives no more milk.
Ah.
Every day 2 times you have.
Really?
Yes, really.
Welcome to Institution Farm.
Welcome to
Welcome
Ubay
to
Stock
Ubay
Farm.
Stock Farm.
Land rice.
There.
Ah, okay.
Security Bicol wash area. Ay, wash area. Manday na.
Abi ko ba?
Tara di ay.
Yan buka dito.
Pinaditso pa ko marag sweeto.
Lagi parehas daan eh. Ito na sa bukid, gunong pastila.
Abi no mga to patagbukid kalayo ato eh.
Mao lagi.
Ay na may patuag bukid do kay
Mao ba to ne?
kapoy na mig bintuan sa ana siguro.
Mao ba to ne?
This way. Kay before man sa bridge kana siya. Ah. PCC o day na siya. Ingon bitaw ko PCC. Ingon hingla hosta.
Buing.
Baka, karabaw baka. Baka. Huwag magkalat. Guard, are you there? Makasayaw ang putag budot sa anang imong kuan ring. Tut 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 tut.
Are you sure? Murag buha bitag di na phone niya balik na.
I'm sure.
This is alive. Hala, alive. Wow. What's this?
Alive.
Orion? Abi ko plastic. Ha?
Ha?
Kaya god mga langgam na gagmay.
Tuan na, nalingaw sa Orion.
Nalingaw sa Orion.
Hi baka. Ay, hi baka. Hi Carabao.
Nga nang isa ka man taani ato rin yung tanato ni Ibilin. Kalibabugis lagi ning kalakiha. Dataw din siya oh.
Wow. Yay.
Ingna ko no.
Ito na yung dairy farm. Hala kaluoy. Ay, shish.
Shush.
Oh.
Nakatawa si Claudia. Nakatawa siya. Hi! Ha?
Kani siya, gamay pa man kayo.
Hello!
Hello.
Kanto? Magupag yun to. Wapag ito si Mana. Kaya 1 week o. Makan manig ko ah.
Ikaw, what's wrong with you? Ah, what happened? Come here. Come here. Tawa si Claudia. Oh. He said, why you're laughing at me? Look. Oh.
Katawa siya ibang istoryahan. Lagi ako siya.
Stand up. Ah. Maybe
Tired,
you're
boy.
tired. A boy or a girl? Himuot si Claudia.
What is it, a boy or a girl?
I don't know. It's a boy or a girl. Are you a boy? Nangisnab man.
Nangisnab.
Ikaw, Ali. Gidugo pa ilang dalunggan ni Moot kasi Claudia.
Bago pa dyan noon. Naluya kayo. Ha? Gibutangan
Butan
mo.
biya siya.
Butan bitaw ni. Katong tuwa isa kay maulaw.
What is your name? Ha? What is your name? You want to come with us? You want to come in Germany? With Claudia, ha? You want to come in Germany?
Hala blue lagi na ilang mata.
Blue eyes. Oh, see? Oh, same. The eyes. Buffalo soldier. In the heart of America. Germany din.
Ah.
Ay, alo kadaghan.
Sabay mo.
Ladies and gentlemen. Hey, children, come here. Come here, children. What are you doing there? Tanawad rin. Sige, pang tanaw nila. Look.
Ala o bitaw.
They're busy. I don't know what's going on there.
You call him.
Children, come here.
Me. No, that me kanding. Osa. Mo.
Come here. Hey.
Di lagi na mo tubag di mo. Sila rin kumao ang mo tawag. Patay lagi yung ay ng mga karabawan ni.
So cute. They're so
Ah, you can look.
Siguro ni okay mo ako di ba? Usap ni pagkaon
Ito,
eh.
malaki-laki na sila.
Di lagi ka.
Pagkain nila.
Uy.
Also, boy. Kein Euter.
Kain oida.
Kein Euter.
Kain oida.
No, nothing to milk. Nothing here. All boys. Yeah, the cows.
No milk from the boys.
The house is in the other side, kuno.
Ah.
Abi kung
So,
duol. Ayo naman di.
galing na kami sa farm. Sabi nung nasa tindahan, nagme-milking daw sila pero wala. Kasi ginagawa lang nila pag umaga tsaka hapon yung milking nila. So, sayang. Sayang, hindi namin kalakatawan. Pugo. Sayang hindi namin naabutan. Sana, kung alam lang namin, inumagahan sana namin ang punta dito. Charot. So, yun lang.
But I feel better when I'm dancing.